Today I'm going to tell you how to take your remedy in a rather quick way, because I've got the same instructions on my website, and probably it's just as well to look at written instructions with pictures. Usually I send remedies in little tiny packs like this with 2 tiny pellets in it, and you put one of these into the bottle cap and put some water in and drink it. Or if you're going to take the remedy many times, several times, you put it in some kind of bottle that will fit in the palm of your hand. This is a jam bottle. I have a bunch of bottles like this, just I had them already, so I just reuse these bottles. My emergency remedies are kept in these little plastic bottles because I want them to be ready for an emergency. Like if my husband suddenly had a stroke, the first thing I'd reach for would be arnica. A bottle like this is really too big. It won't fit in the palm of my hand. So, just be reasonable about the size of the bottle. It isn't an exact size. There are 2 ways to take it. You could take it dry, you just pop the pill in your mouth and it's just like ordinary medicine. But homeopathic remedies actually are very easy to incorporate in your energy field if you put it in water first. So I like to give people little jars like this or like this, full of half filled with some kind of liquor. You can see this is kind of yellow colored because there's liquor in here. And the liquor is only there to prevent the bacteria from having a party in the water. We put the energy of the remedy in the sugar pellet, and the sugar pellet is put into the bottle. So either way, it's good to have some alcohol in there if you can take alcohol, just to prevent bacteria from growing there. There's very little chance that the bacteria will be dangerous. I like liquid potencies. The reason why I like liquid potencies is you can succuss them. This means you shake them like this. You hammer them on something like your hand or a book. Always do it the same number of times. Squirt bottles are good because it's fast. They're kind of elaborate. I have to buy a special bottle. They're a little more expensive. The glass bottles are nice because you can reuse them. And originally, homeopathic remedies are made in glass bottles. Glass is part of the remedy making process. Nanoparticles stick to the side of the bottle. And it's the nanoparticles that are carried over from one dilution to the next dilution. So when you shake the bottle, it's called succuss it. When you shake the bottle, you are getting those nanoparticles to shake out to the sides of the bottle. They stick. So even if you poured out all the water from the bottle, it would stick there. And actually, even if you wash the bottle, the nanoparticles are incorporated in the glass. So it's very hard to get them off. What you have to do is get something like a pan of boiling water, put the bottle in the pan, and boil it for 15 minutes. Recently, I'm using plastic bottle caps because they're everywhere. It's terrible pollution, but I figure we might as well use them. So I'm boiling the bottle caps, if they're not my bottle cap, and I'm reusing it. You might be asking, well, what's a nanoparticle? They estimate and each nanoparticle carries the identity of the particular remedy. I have a page on my site that helps you to understand a video about the research that was done on these nanoparticles and the identity of remedies. So you might want to look at this. When you make your own bottle of remedies, you can add water. I keep this bottle of alcohol and I typically add the water and then add the alcohol. Then all you have to do is succuss it. Why are we bothering to shake it? Every time we shake it, it changes the potency slightly. So if you're going to shake it 10 times, if you're going to hit it 10 times, always do it 10 times. Just to keep the same proportion there, so that you're always making this same difference. Your body likes this kind of regularity. And you have your remedy. This has been Ellen Madono from Tokyo Homeopathy. I've given you a small demonstration of how I make remedies in bottles. I'm getting the remedies from the pharmacy, and then I make liquid doses. I hope this has been helpful to you.